Hello and welcome to another class of AWS Management Console. So today in this class we are going to discuss about database. So here in database we have RDS, DynamoDB, ElastiCache and Redshift. So let's discuss about database, what database is. So database services, it provides fully managed relational and NoSQL database services. That means AWS Management Console is providing us fully managed relational and NoSQL database services. It provides us in-memory caching as a service and petabyte scale data warehouse solution. So here we have following key database services. We have Amazon RDS, we have Amazon Redshift, we have Amazon DynamoDB, and we have Amazon ElastiCache. Amazon RDS, which is a managed relational database. Redshift, it is fully managed data warehouse. DynamoDB is a NoSQL database and ElastiCache is in-memory caching service. That's why it providing us a fully managed. We have relational, non-relational, we have in-memory caching as a service as well as we have data warehouse solution. So let's discuss about very first, which is Relational Database Service, Amazon RDS. Amazon a Relational Database Service, it provides a fully managed relational database with support for many popular open source and commercial database engines. That means we are having a support for open source and commercial database engines. It is cost efficient service, highly available, fault tolerant, and it provides production ready databases in within minutes. Amazon RDS relational database, it manages time consuming administration tasks. It includes backup, software patching, monitoring, scaling and replication. Organization resources can focus on revenue generation apps and business instead of operational tasks. So it provides familiar database engines like Aurora, PostgreSQL, MySQL, MariaDB, Oracle, and Microsoft SQL Server. This is RDS is basically traditional type of database. Next we have DynamoDB. What is NoSQL database service? Basically, NoSQL is a term which is used to describe high performance non-relational database. DynamoDB is fast. It is flexible data service for all applications that need consistency. We require single digit millisecond latency at any scale. This is fully managed database service and it supports both documents and key value data models. It is flexible data model and reliable performance, which makes it great fit for mobile, web, gaming, IoT and other applications. So this is fully managed and it is a great fit for these services. Next we have ElastiCache. Now what is ElastiCache in AWS management or in database option? This is basically a web service that simplifies deployment, operation and scaling of in-memory cache in the cloud. Like we require in-memory caching also in a database. So this simplifies deployment, operation and scaling of in-memory caching in the cloud. ElastiCache's service, it improves the performance of various web applications because it allows organization to retrieve information from a fast managed in-memory cache instead of relying data on slower disk-based databases. It supports both memory caching engines as Redis and Memcache. Now what Memcached? Memcached is basically in-memory key value store for small chunks of arbitrary data. Like we have string, objects from results of databases, calls, API calls, etc. Redis cache is Azure and this is a open source for in-memory caching. So this is about ElastiCache in database. Next we have Redshift. Amazon Redshift, it is fast, fully managed and petabyte scale data warehouse service that makes it simple and cost effective to analyze structured data. That means Redshift is basically for structured data. It provides standard SQL interface that lets organization to use their existing business intelligence tools. Now, it uses column-based storage technology that improves input-output efficiency, and it parallelizes queries across multiple nodes. Suppose if we are having multiple nodes, so it parallelizes various queries and it makes simultaneously querying easy. Amazon Redshift is able to deliver fast query performance. With the help of Amazon Redshift architecture, it allows organization to automate most of their tasks associated with provisioning, configuring, and monitoring a cloud data warehouse. So this is the function of Amazon Redshift, in which we are having parallel query execution, so that query execution will be fast. So this is about database that we had discussed. In database section we had discussed about RDS, DynamoDB, ElastiCache and Redshift. Thank you so much.